Hello student, this is Pratibha Singh again with you from Shivraj Singh Children Academy. Student, today we will start our new topic from grammar book, verb auxiliaries. Have a look what is verb auxiliaries and models. The verb can, could, shall, should, may, might, must, ought to, used to, are, etc. are called modal verbs or models. Models. They are used before ordinary verb to express meanings like ability, permission, possibility, certainty, etc. Have a look the definition again. Verb can, could, shall, should, may, might, must, ought to, used to, etc. are called modal verb or models. They are used with ordinary verb. It is used with the base form of the verb for expressing ability, permission, possibility, certainty, etc. Now we will learn all the models one by one. Have a look. Firstly, we will learn the use of can. Can is used for expressing ability, permission and possibility. It is the present form of could. Have a look some examples. Can is used for expressing ability, permission, and possibility. Possibility. Have a look some example. Firstly, we will learn some examples of ability using can. Ability. I can write Neat and clean. I can write neat and clean. It shows my ability of writing. Now have a look the second example of ability. He can solve these questions. He can solve these questions means he has ability to solve these questions. It shows the ability, and can is used with base form of the verb. It is used with base form of the verb. Now have a look the example of can for permission. Permission. You can go now. You can go now. This is the permission. You can go now. Now, can we go now? Can we go now? This is also asking for permission. Can is used for seeking or asking permission. Now have a look the example for possibility. Possibility. She can make mistake. She can make mistake. This is the possibility that she can make the mistake. Accident can happen. It shows the possibility that the accident can happen, and it reminds that all the models used with the base form of the verb except ought to and used to. ought to और used to के अलावा सारे जो मॉडल्स होंगे उनके साथ बेस फॉर्म ही लगेगी. आप V1 ही लगा सकते हैं, V2, V3, V4 और V5 नहीं लगा सकते. Now we will learn the use of could. Use of could. Could is the past form of can, and it is used to express request and ability in the past, and permission and possibility. Mostly could is used for polite permission. Could is the past form of can. It express request and ability in past permission. It is used for polite permission also, permission and possibility. For example, permission. So student, could is used for seeking and giving polite permission. ये polite permission के लिए यूज होता है. Have a look some example. Could I use your phone? Could I use your phone? Now you think about this. What is the difference in the permission of can and could? Could is used for polite permission. Now for possibility. She could be kind. She could be kind. वो kind हो सकती है. So there is possibility of her kindness. Now have a look one example more of possibility. They could be cruel. So there is possibility that they could be cruel. Now we have completed possibility, permission. Now we will talk about the ability of past. Ability. I could run fast. I could run fast when I was young. This it show the ability of past. मीन्स वो एबिलिटी पहले तो थी हम में मगर अब नहीं है. आई कोड रन फास्ट. मैं दौड़ सकता था बहुत तेज. व्हेन आई वॉज यंग. जब मैं यंग था. नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट द रिक्वेस्ट. इट इज यूज फॉर humble request, polite request. So could you tell me the way for bus stand? Could you give me your pencil? So student, there is difference in could and can, that could is the past tense of can and it is used for humble request also. The next model, may. So student, now we will learn about the use of may and might. Have a look the use of may first. Use of may. Use of may. Generally, may is used for asking or seeking permission, possibility and wish. It is used for permission, possibilities, possibility and wish. Have a look the use of first. May is used for asking and seeking permission. This is a formal word. It is, for example, you ask the question, you take permission from your teacher, may I come in, sir? May is used for give and seek permission. For example, you know very well, may I come in, sir? Come in, sir. Sir. Second, you may go now. You may go now. Go now. You may go now. Now have a look the second use of may. May is used to express possibility. For example, it may rain. It may rain. He may come today. He may come today. Means there is possibility for his coming. It is used for give or seeking permission and expressing possibility. Now next is may is used for wish. For example, may God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Second example, she may live long. It can be used for wish in optative sentence. Now repeat that. May is used for permission, possibility and wish. Now we will learn how to use might in the sentence. Might is also used for permission, possibility and intention. Have a look. Now we will learn the use of might in our sentences for expressing our emotion. Might is used to seek permission. It is more polite than may. ये may से भी ज़्यादा polite word है. जब हम बहुत ही ज़्यादा hesitant से बात करते हैं किसी से तो वहाँ might use करते हैं for seeking permission. Now we will learn the use of might. Might is used for permission, possibility and intention. Firstly, have a look the use of permission. What is the difference in using may and might for taking or seeking permission? May is a formal word. It is used formally for asking or seeking permission. May I come in, sir? This is the most common example of may for asking permission. Now use of might for seeking permission. It is used for seeking permission and it is most polite word than may. You can say a hesitant word for asking permission. Have a look. Might is used to seek means ask permission Permission. It is more polite than may. For example, might I take your pencil? Might I take your pencil? Person is seeking for a pencil in a more hesitant way. Now have a look the use of possibility. May and might both are used for possibility, but you know what is the difference in using may and might for expressing possibility? Have a look. Possibility. As you know that may and might both words are used for expressing possibility. But what is the difference? So, may is used for more possibility. And might is used for less possibility. Here may is used for, here we count 70% and here 30%. Now have a look some example. Number 1, it may rain today. It may rain today. So, may is your modal verb. Here I frame a sentence. It might rain today. Now you think about it. The sentence, both sentences are correct. What is the difference in both sentences? It may rain today means here more possibility for being rain, and it might rain today means here less possibility for being rain. Now have a look. Second example. He may come today in my birthday party. Now, second sentence is he might come in my birthday party. Have a look the second sentence. He may come in my birthday party. And now here, he might come in my birthday party. Both sentences are same. But what is the difference? Here, more possibility to come in my birthday party, and here, if I use might, so there is less possibility to come in my birthday party. I hope you have understand. Now we will talk about Its third use, intention. Use of may for expressing intention. Might can be used to express an intention. It can be used for expressing an intention. आपके इंटेंशन एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए भी यूज किया जा सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I might leave at once. I might leave once. Here, might express my intention to leave at once. Now, have a look one example more. You might come with me. You might come with me. You might come with me. Here, might express intention to come with me. I hope you have understand. Now, rest of the model auxiliaries we will learn in our next video. If you have any query, text message on my WhatsApp number. Thank you and have a nice day.